how to fix Shopee Voucher Error M02. So if you want to fix the Shopee Voucher Error M02, then what you need to do is first you need to log into your Shopee account. Once you've logged in, you need to go with the cart section, which will be on the top right corner. Then you just need to simply select the product you want to check out and make sure to remove all the vouchers and then click the checkout button to proceed. The next step is you need to update to the latest version of the Shopee application. If you're using an older version, make sure to update it. So if you're using the Shopee application, you just need to simply go with your Play Store or your App Store, go with search and search for Shopee. Once you search, you will have the application. If you have any updates under the application, you just need to simply go with update and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your settings. Under settings, you can simply go with the apps section. But if you have the application, you just need to simply tap and hold on to that Shopee application and you can go with the app info directly from the application. Once you open up the app info of your Shopee, you just need to simply go with storage and cache. And under storage and cache of Shopee, you need to go and clear the cache. Once you cleared your cache, your problem will be fixed. So restart your device and after that, you'll be able to fix the Shopee voucher error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.